Yo, 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 it's me. Welcome to my first pack opening of the channel. So, I already opened my 100k frozen packs and I got nothing too great except the Josh Norman. But, so I can't open those for you guys. But I just sold a Aaron Donald. And yeah, so I have all this if you want to. Well, that's actually not a lot. I had way more earlier. So let me actually come over here and it's gonna be, let me add this up. It's gonna be like 14. I have like good pack looking these, so I'll make sure to like leave what times are if there's even a good pool. So yeah, please subscribe. I have 4 subscribers from the first one, and yeah, so yeah, 11 more. Come on, I want a present. So, you guys are probably thinking, why is he scrolling left and right when you... Because if there's 6 cards in here, there's going to be a present. And presents are still out, so... Yeah. Come on, give me a Howie Long collectible 200k. Come on, come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's probably... Come on, I want to show you guys an elite player. Come on, come on. Come on. I want to show you guys an elite player. 5 more. Ooh, that might go for a bit since it's the new Travis Kelce. Four more. I swear if you guys, I swear if I don't pack an elite or a present, this could be a waste of y'all. Not bad. That is not a bad pack. A punter. And a free pro pack. That's gonna add to my coins. So actually, pro packs is a good way to make money. Because if you get a good pull, then you make all your money back from the whole opening. Yeah, so that's gonna be the episode. I'm sorry I didn't get anything. Oh, actually, I have, I have 2 more pro packs for you guys. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment of ideas to do, like if I should sell my whole team and get like 700k, so I can make it like a budget squad where I just collect coins to do like a 1 million pack opening. But yeah, this is gonna be the episode, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, so yeah, let's go review actually. So yeah, that's what I got. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys my team now. Might as well now. It's just this week. Oh, no, that's a different week. That's my offense, defense, and then that's my special. And that's the episode.